Hello, all. My name is Jay, and I am part of this beautiful organization, Essay Discovery, from last 5 years. And today we'll be covering up the trending topic, which is the GFO, the latest version of Google Analytics. And as a marketer, we all are thinking that how to get used to with this tool. And the basic difference between the Universal and GA4 is that the GA4 is based on more on events. So every action that is performed on the website is tracked as an event rather than just page view or a hit, which was previously used in Universal Analytics. So let me just show you the dashboard of the new GA4. Yeah, here's the dashboard, a real-time dashboard of the new GA4 Analytics, and obviously we are talking about events. So here we'll be covering how to create a custom event and mark that as conversion in the new GA4. So to do that, we have an option here called events. So you just need to go to events, and under events you will see some predefined events. So these are all predefined events, although you can create a custom event just by just clicking this create an event. So before that will be so what we'll be tracking today is the number of users, or the users who are filling up this form on SEO Discovery, the contact us form, and then just landing on our thank you page after the filling up this form. Yeah, so just click on create event. So this is the custom event we want to create. I already have this event, but I'll just show you again. I'll delete this and then I'll show you again. So yeah, just click an event, just name your event as the, let's suppose I'm tracking contact us, contact us. Okay, and give a condition here. So I'll be giving that page, I'll just give page title equals thank you. This is the title of my thank you page. So I'm just tracking all the users who landed on this thank you page. Just click on create, and after doing this, obviously you want to test that whether that particular event is working or not. And to do that, either you need to verify your website with the Google Tag Manager, which is the most recommended, or you can just there's a Chrome extension called Google Analytics Debugger. You can also use that. And to debug, just click on preview. After click on preview, it will show you, it will connect your site with the tag assistant. So this is connected. So I'll quickly fill up this contact us form with the test. So I'm just filling up this test, and let's wait for the thank you page. Yeah, so thank you page is there. And to view to debug this event, there's an option called Debug View. Just click on Debug View, and here you will see all the real-time events here. So let's just wait for the latest event we just created. Yeah, so here you can see that the particular event that we created here is firing, and the parameters that we passed with that particular event is the page title. So the page title is matching it, that is thank you page. Yeah, so this is how you can create a custom event. And then and to mark any event as conversion, simply you just need to you just need to mark a, a event as a conversion. Just click on this button. So this will be marked as a conversion, but we just created a custom event. So this custom event will take some time to fill up here. It usually takes 24 hours. So after 24 hours you can just mark that particular event that we created as an conversion, simply by just clicking this. So that's all we learned here, and stay updated with us. Thank you.